today we'll be doing the burning money experiment.
Disclaimer: this person is a trained scientist who has all the required personal protective equipment necessary. Please do not attempt this at home.
For this experiment, you're going to need some rubbing alcohol, water, paper money, and a lighter. So I'm going to start by pouring 50 milliliters of water in this tin can. Now I'm going to measure out 50 milliliters of this rubbing alcohol. I'm going to take these 3 bills and I'm going to completely soak them in the solution. Once they're completely soaked, I'm going to pick one up and drain any excess fluid. Now, using a lighter, I'm going to try lighting this money on fire. As you guys saw, the money was a little bit too close to the tray of rubbing alcohol, so the entire tray caught on fire. This is why it's very important to exercise caution when working with a flame and flammable substances. Let's give this experiment a second shot. So once again, I'm going to pour my 50 milliliters of water into the tin tray. Now I'm going to measure 50 milliliters of rubbing alcohol. Once again, I'm going to completely soak all 3 bills in the solution. Now I'm going to be sure to drain all the excess fluid. Now I'm going to try to light the bill on fire. If anybody told you to soak your precious money in a flammable liquid and set it on fire, would you? Probably not the best idea in your mind right now, is it? But surprise, surprise, science to the rescue. In this experiment, you will set a paper money on fire without actually burning the bill. So how does it work? Well, normally, if you just dipped water into a flammable liquid, such as rubbing alcohol, and set it on fire, the money will burn just like any other material. The trick is creating a mixture of water and rubbing alcohol. Because water has such a high specific heat capacity, meaning it takes a large quantity of thermal energy to raise its temperature, the water will absorb all the heat produced by the fire and evaporate, leaving the paper money intact. So what will happen if we reduce the amount of water? The paper money will burn. The specific heat capacity of water is 4,200 joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. What this means is that it takes 4,200 joules of energy to raise 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. That's a lot of energy. In comparison, it only takes about 1,000 joules to raise the temperature of metals, such as aluminum. This is why, on a hot summer day, if you touch the fence or a metal pole, it will be hotter compared to touching water that has been outside all day. Thank you for watching Burning Money. I hope you enjoy the rest of your time at Science Fun.